Most firms are past the point of asking whether AI matters. The harder question is whether and how they can actually use it. Because AI literacy is not a training day, it's not 10 prompt tips, a policy PDF, and a few people quietly experimenting with ChatGPT, Copilot, and Claude. Real AI literacy is an operating system that lets a firm move from scattered experimentation to productionized use cases, governed tooling, and measurable adoption. That starts with an honest maturity assessment. What tools are people already using? What's approved? What's being used informally? Can the tools reach the right data? And where do security, compliance, copyright, client confidentiality, or audit requirements create real constraints? From there, adoption has to become practical. You need the horizontal layer, the baseline skills that everybody needs: prompting, verification, document analysis, meeting follow ups, email workflows, all the way through to low code automation. You even need to know when not to use AI as well. But you also need that vertical layer, so the workflows that matter to each team. Different teams are going to have different workflow patterns. The best use cases usually come from people describing the work that they repeat every week or the tasks that they avoid because they're slow, manual, or fragmented. But the real value comes when those use cases stop living in workshops and start becoming reusable assets. That means building a proper internal AI marketplace, not a dusty document library, a live resource hub where people can find approved tools, usage rules, prompts that have worked inside the firm, custom GPTs, agent skills, automations, and templates, as well as the push side, which is training videos, implemented use cases, suggestions of how to use it. Ideally, those use cases should be searchable and filterable by team, system, status, and value as well. If legal, for example, has put together a strong clause review workflow, the investment team might be able to adapt the same pattern for diligence. If one team has automated weekly reporting, another team should not have to start from zero. That's also why champions matter. Every team needs a few people who go deeper, test the harder workflows, help colleagues, and feed what they learn back into the firm's skills database. After that, governance and documentation become part of the build. Each idea can be triaged: green if the data, tooling, and risks are clear, orange if there's something that needs to be unblocked, or red if it shouldn't proceed for whatever reason. The end state is not everybody having attended an AI training necessarily. The end state is a firm where knowledge, prompts, workflows, tools, and lessons are centralized, where teams can reuse what already works, and where AI adoption keeps improving after the launch month. Everyone is sharing their use cases amongst each other, so there's a democratized approach to learning. That is what AI literacy should mean: not familiarity with the technology, the organizational ability to turn it into safe, repeated, useful work that is truly revenue generating. If you want to go deeper, I've written a full post on the Next Step Ventures website. It includes a full implementation game plan, plus the infographics and explainers covering what we're discussing in this video, maturity assessments, use case mapping, governance, internal AI marketplaces, and adoption. Click the link in the description to read it.